In this module, let's break down a highly successful prompt and learn how to apply those principles to your own smart fields. We'll look at the case study of the title, date, and parties prompt. Drew's custom smart field for extracting this information demonstrates excellent prompt engineering. Let's examine its key elements. The field name, full agreement title, full title of agreement. Dated, date, between, among parties. From the provided extracts, output only the relevant information with no labels, extra punctuation, or quotation marks, adhering perfectly to the following format. Include only full title, date, and parties, nothing else. Now, let's deconstruct the prompt. 1. Explicit instructions. The prompt clearly states the desired output, the full agreement title, date, and parties. 2. Contextual cues. Keywords like agreement, dated, and parties guide GPT-4 to focus on the relevant information. 3. Formatting instructions. The prompt specifies the exact format for the output, including capitalization, punctuation, and date order. 4. Elimination of irrelevant information. It explicitly states what to exclude, such as labels, extra punctuation, and quotation marks. By following these principles, Drew created a smart field that produces consistently accurate and well-formatted summaries.